Alrighty guys, well thanks for watching our first video, our DIY kitchen island build. If you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button. We're going to have lots more content coming at you. Sorry there wasn't too much video of the actual build. This video was kind of an afterthought, got a good response on Instagram, figured I'd make a video to try to help you guys out there on your own kitchen island. Hopefully this gave you some good ideas. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer any questions, give you some guidance on your own kitchen island build. All right, guys, have a blessed day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.